So welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to be reviewing the Snackverse Box, and yeah, we're going to see what it's all about. We've been sent this by the company. It's a free product been sent for us to review. They want us to test it out and actually see what our thoughts are. So you can get 3 different packages of this one. You can get a small box, which is around $7.99, a bit of a bigger box, which is about, I think it was £10, $13.99, and then the bigger one that we've got here is $23.99. So this is the bigger premium box. So we're going to see what we get inside and see what it's like. We don't know what country we've got, it's going to be a surprise. So we're going to test it out now and then we'll see what's in the box. So we're going to open the box now. Yeah. Yeah? So we've got our box. Just cut that bit already so we can have a look. Ready?
Yeah. 3, 2, 1.
Alright, wait a minute, we're going to have a look what's in there first. So we have got Finland. Finland, look.
Yeah.
Wow. Remember that's a country, Finland.
Are you going to go there?
But it's different food, look at that. Let's have a look at the book.
I'm just going
I'll just tell you about Finland.
Oh.
Tells you about some of the different foods. Got a little
The
booklet
different
with it.
colours. No.
It also tells you what you get in the booklet.
Yeah. Yeah.
So look, it tells you, so for example, you've got, let's have a look. Oh look, so you've got them crisps there and then match it up with there. So it tells you exactly what they are, each product. To give you a list of everything that's in there. So we're going to just go through the box.
No, the under bit.
We're going to have a look what's in the box first, then we'll taste some. So we've got some crisps there.
Oh.
Yeah, calm down. We've got some more crisps. Excited, weren't you? Yeah, we're going to look at it first, then you're going to eat it because we don't know what it is yet. It might not be suitable. We've got a drink as well.
What kind of drink is that?
We're going to find out. Apple drink.
Can we all taste it? So Tyler, no, you.
Got some sweets there as well.
First. So you go first.
Got some more sweets, different types of packs of sweets there. And then quite a lot of different, look, these look good as well. They're different, aren't they? Like double sweet.
Yummy.
Chocolates.
What is that?
That one.
We got this one again.
Another chocolate.
We got this one, but it's different version.
Yeah.
We got that one, and it's the same. Yummy. And we got that, a chocolate.
Wow. Okay. There's a lot of stuff
And we
in there.
got another same.
With this box, you get 20+ products. So it obviously lists in there the different sizes of the boxes of what you actually get. So you've got a mini box, which is the cheaper one, the original box, and then you've got a premium box, which this is the premium box with 20+ products. Excited about that, aren't you? Alright, calm down. Alright, so we'll pick out some products to try. And we can try it, yeah?
Daddy, go first. Daddy, go first.
Should we try some, yeah?
Wait.
Okay.
Daddy, you go first. If it's suitable for us.
Yeah, I'll pick some and we're going to try some. So we've got a few things to try out. We've picked out a few different ones, haven't we? So we've got crisps, a few sweets, some chocolates. So let's try the Tutti Frutti sweets first.
Yeah.
So open that up.
Yummy. What are they?
Right. Oh, they're like. Let's have a look at them. What do they look like?
This is
They're like little frogs.
This is a butterfly.
Butterfly. What is it like?
Thank you. Mmm.
Well, actually, really nice, aren't they? Okay. Very fruity. You get different shapes of sweets on that. Quite nice, isn't it?
I got a butterfly.
Nice, isn't it? Okay, that's
Yeah,
quite
this
nice.
one tastes like a bit of strawberry. And this one.
You want to try that sweet?
Yeah.
Should we open that one? See what that one's like.
Oh my god, it's definitely so sour.
Sour?
Yeah, it's definitely sour a bit.
I could think of sour.
Mine is green.
Okay, you try one.
Okay.
Try one.
Can I see your face, Tyler?
Oh, it's yummy! It's yummy! It's
Yeah,
yummy!
these are nice. These taste just like, come on, turn around a bit so people can see what you're eating because they can't see you. What you got in your mouth? So you tried one of these ones. What's that like? Nice? So these taste like a bit like fruit pastels a little bit. Similar sort of thing, but flat. They're like little coin-shaped ones. Really nice as well. Definitely unique as well. It's good to try different stuff from different countries. That's
It's
what
so
these
good.
boxes are about. They're about trying something
Yeah.
different, isn't it? Like you'd never buy these normally, so it's always
What
good.
one is that one?
And I think the box,
This
which is,
one.
you want to try that one next?
Yeah. Yeah.
There's a box that's a bit cheaper, the middle-sized box, so it's like the original box. That's the one I'd say is probably the best value because it's not too expensive. It's £13 and you can get still quite a good amount of stuff in it for a good price. So if I was going to choose a box, I'd go with the £13 box, the original box. Now we've got some kind of licorice there in this one. Should I try it first to see if you're going to like it?
Yeah.
Because it's licorice. It's really nice, but I don't know. I don't... You like that one, do you?
Oh my god!
This licorice is really nice though.
It's so nice.
Do you like that one? Should we try a different type of thing? Should we try chocolate?
No.
No? Daddy try chocolate then.
This one.
I don't know if you'll like that one because this one, I read on the thing, it says it's peppermint type sweet.
Try it. You try it first.
Okay.
See if it's nice.
Chocolate. See, let me try. See that inside? Peppermint. I don't think you like that.
No. It's yummy!
It's yummy, do you want to try it?
No.
It's actually really nice. It tastes like when you go to like the Indian restaurants. You get that mint sweet.
Oh.
Mint chocolate, yeah.
Oh, I'm
Nice.
gonna try this one.
This one.
Yeah. I'm gonna try this one.
Okay. Oh, these are hard sweets, so this is not suitable for you. This is for adults, so we'll keep them ones back.
What?
Should we try crisps? Should we try different crisps?
Yeah.
So we've got some barbecue mixed crisps that we're going to try.
I'm gonna
So obviously you can't understand what the writing is, but made in Finland, so these are
No.
ones.
Oh.
Oh, so you got different types of shapes in there. So you got some that are long, some that are, you know, flat like that. So that's everything, don't you? You're a good tester.
Yummy!
Yeah, a little bit of barbecue taste, not too strong. They just be alright, aren't they? They're actually really nice. Good chocolate bit. So these are the barbecue crisps, really nice as well. Tried a couple of sweets. You want some more of them? I think we try one of the chocolate ones. What one do you want to have a look at?
This one.
The pink one, yeah? Should we give that one a go?
Yeah.
We'll do a chocolate one for something different. We'll try the drink and then that'll be enough for today, and then I will give some feedback after the video. But yeah, let's try this chocolate.
This is gonna be so quick.
So let's try square.
So you try it first.
There's nothing inside, just a normal chocolate.
Okay, let's do this. What's rolling down and so yummy!
It's got hazelnut inside.
What is a hazelnut?
What's the type of nut?
Yeah.
It's very good quality chocolate actually.
I think got bit.
So try a bit?
Yeah.
Try a bit? Yeah, try a bit of that one.
Sharing, good sharing.
Good sharing, yeah.
It's yummy!
What do you think of that one? That's actually really nice. Yeah, I wasn't sure if the chocolate would actually be that good quality, but it's actually really nice.
Yeah.
Very nice. Do you like that one?
Yeah. This one.
We'll try again in a minute. Should we just try the drink?
Oh, not this one.
Not this one. Alright, let's try the drink as the last one, then we'll do a final thoughts after, what we think of the box and that.
Yeah.
But let's just
My little soda pop.
yeah.
You try it. You try it. Don't want it. Don't want
Orange,
it.
orange. It's like a fizzy orange.
Yeah,
Not suitable for you, Tyler, I don't think.
Yeah.
If you're only little.
Now this one now.
Tastes like Fanta.
Fun.
You like that? Not too much though. Strong, isn't it?
Wow.
Yeah. So get a nice drink with it.
Wow.
You only get the drinks with the 2 packages, the medium one and the large one, but the small one you don't get a drink with it, just so you know.
Yeah.
Now this is a hard sweet. This is for adults.
I love it. Go.
Yeah, but I'll try it.
Okay. No, I want to have it.
It's a mint. Have that one. Should I try that one?
No.
I'll get you a different one. What about this one?
Yeah, I want that one.
That's nice, but that one there, that one, different. It's like a mint with some soft.
Yeah.
Not sure about that one personally.
No.
It's alright,
So yummy.
but it's a bit different.
Why does it look like this?
Oh, lucky you didn't eat that one, you wouldn't like it.
I love it.
Do you want to try this one, Tyler?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll give this one a go, then we're done, yeah, after this one. It's another type of licorice, isn't it, Tyler? Look, look, it's a yellow one.
Oh my god.
It's like yellow.
Okay.
Oh, first you then.
Okay. Let you try it.
No, try it.
Yummy. Yummy.
Right, calm down, mate.
Yummy. I got milk.
Okay, that is very nice. Nice, oh, that's really nice.
Yeah, I want to try this one.
This
I
one,
don't know what to try. That
it's
also
tutti
good.
frutti flavour. Very different, but really nice. Do you like that one, Tyler?
Yeah.
Do you like that one?
Yeah, I like it.
So we've tried out some of the sweets now, the chocolate, some crisps. We've got obviously some left over, which we'll try throughout the rest of the week, won't we? We've got a few bits there, so that'll take us up, you know, a week or two. I'd like to try them all out first, and then give some thoughts at the end. Final feedback on what we think of each thing, maybe, or what was nice, what wasn't as nice. Just give a bit of feedback on the actual box itself, and is it worth buying? What one I'd recommend and stuff. So yeah, we'll finish the stuff off, and then I'll give a quick bit at the end of the video just to give us final thoughts on the actual products. So it's a few days later now, and I just want to give some final thoughts on the actual items that we received in the box, and a bit about the box and what we thought about it. Obviously, the company sent this out to us as a sort of a gifted product to say, oh, would you do a video for us and just show your family engaging in unboxing and stuff? There was nothing about obviously giving feedback or giving anything like that. It was just literally just wanting to show it on the camera and just sort of show a family unboxing and what you received. So we did finish the box quite quickly. It's 3 days later since we received the box. We have finished all the snacks now, so it's just sort of time to just give a bit of feedback. And obviously as we, obviously the wife got involved with trying it, and you'll see some shots of her trying it as I'm speaking. But yeah, she got involved and tried some stuff. Obviously the kids had some more, and obviously we tried different stuff. Now, the items that we received from Finland, now that is something, obviously we've never tried products from Finland, so it's really nice to try different types of foods, different types of snacks that they have out in that country. And it's really good for the kids to try different stuff and see what they actually liked. And I thought, you know what, I'll write a little score against each of the sweets just to say what we thought of them. Now, most of them, you're sort of saying 8 out of 10. There's a couple of 9 out of 10s, and most of the stuff is pretty good. There's a couple of things that we thought weren't so good. There's a couple of chocolates, as you'll see here, like you got a 3 out of 10 there and a 2 out of 10 on that one. And they're just obviously personal preferences of taste. Like one is a dark chocolate, wasn't sure about that, and one was type of a wafer type chocolate that wasn't as good as I thought it would be. And then we've obviously got some different types of sweets. Now, sweets are pretty good, but like that one there, we obviously received something different, but it's still very nice. It's the same type of sweet, but just not the sour ones. We just had the normal ones. But yeah, overall, the sweets are really, really nice. And what you'll find with their sweets is they like a lot of licorice. So a lot of their stuff is licorice. So some of it's quite nice and some of it's quite strong. There's one that my son tried, he wasn't sure about it. So yeah, you will get different types of sweets in these different types of countries. And a lot of their chocolate has mint in it, so we quite like that. Most of it is really nice. And yeah, overall, we thought everything was pretty good. There was one chocolate in that both my wife said 10 out of 10. It was actually really, really nice. So that was definitely the best product of the box. So yeah, we really liked it, and it was really good to try something different. So yeah, just want to give a little bit of feedback at the end of the video. Nothing too major, nothing like a review. And yeah, I would get one of these boxes, and I would personally probably go for the noodle box if I was buying one. $13.99 is pretty fair. You get a few products or items in the actual box, and I thought, yeah, that's not a bad price. I think the one that we received is the higher price. Now, would you want to pay that much per month is obviously on circumstances of what you can afford, but I think a fair price, bang in the middle, $13.99 a month, and get something different from a different country every month is pretty fair. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. It's just a quick video, just obviously unboxing with the kids, a bit of excitement, something different for the channel. If you did like it, please give it a thumbs up. That would be really great. And obviously, if you've tried one of these boxes before, or if you're thinking about joining the subscription, or whatever you think about these boxes, drop me a comment down below. I'll happily engage with you and drop anything that you need help with. Like if you're thinking about getting this box, I'll give you my own thoughts on the comments. Yeah, just drop me a message. I'm happy to help with anything. And obviously, if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, because there'll be a lot more content coming up in the future. We've got holidays planned for the end of the year, a couple more, so we're doing videos on that. And obviously, we've got Christmas time coming up, and we want to try out a few different food markets. There's a couple we want to try in London. And also, as we get to the more of the winter months, Christmas time, there'll be a lot more Christmas markets going. So we'll hope to get some more videos going. So definitely tune in, subscribe to the channel, and we'll be there again for the next video. So hopefully you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care, guys. Right, sit down, sit down. Don't talk yet, because they're gonna do the video now. So I'll say I'm talking first, okay? Just look at the camera, yeah? So welcome back to the channel. So we're going to be doing something a little bit different today. We're going to be trying out this box on Snap. Mate, I'm going to be quiet. Okay, you can't do it if you're talking. Be quiet. Shh. Don't say nothing yet, okay? Be quiet. Open it and give it to you. Don't worry. So we have got a few different things to try. I've got some sweets, some crisps. Alright, stop.